Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today's video number is 22nd and subject or topic of this video is to get bill-wise breakup from daybook. So before me is the daybook which I have extracted from accounting which I have done using Power Query. So you watch this video till the end, you will come to know how to prepare bill-wise breakup. Now I'll load this table into Power Query editor. For that I will use data from table. My data is loaded. I will change the data type to date and I'll select only reference, account head, receipt and bill amount, and I'll remove other columns. We'll merge these two columns and in a separator we'll use custom separator and our column name will be merge. We'll say OK. Now select merge column and we'll use group by and we'll use advanced function. My first column name will be bill amount and second column name will be receipt. Operation will be sum in both the cases, and in merge I'll use bill amount and here I'll use receipt column and I'll say OK. So we have this bill amount as well as receipt column. I will reduce receipt from bill amount. For that I'll select bill amount first, then receipt. I'll use add column, then subtract. So this will be my outstanding, and now I'll use right click and will split the column by delimiter and I'll say OK. So we have this data where bill number is there, then we have account head, your name of the party, bill amount, receipt and outstanding, but we don't have bill date. So for that we'll close this query and load as a connection and I'll say OK. I changed the query name as bill-wise breakup. Now we need each bill date. So I'll load this data. I will select date, reference, receipt and payment, and I'll remove other columns. I will remove receipt also. Now we have bill amount as well as zero amount where the receipt entries are there. So I'll filter out number filter and I'll use does not equal to 0. So we got unique bill number and their dates. I will change data type and I'll remove this bill column. I will close and load and I'll create only connection. I'll say OK. So we have this new query. I'll rename as bill date. I will again open a old query. This time I'll use home and merge query. My first table is bill-wise breakup. I'll select bill date as my another table. I will select merge from bill wise breakup and I'll put control and select reference from bill date. I'll use left outer join. I'll say OK. Now I will click this double headed row and I will you take only date and I'll remove this tick as I don't want prefix. So my date is ready. I will move the column. Here I'll put bill number as my column head. I'll move this bill date. Then I'll rename this merge to column to name of the party. I will filter and arrange ascending order. So my bill wise breakup along with the is data is ready. I will close and load. Then I'll right click here and I'll select load to and I will use table instead of existing worksheet. I'll use a new worksheet and I'll say OK. So this way you can extract bill wise breakup from daybook. I hope you like this video. Kindly subscribe to my channel and watch this video again and again and do the practice. I wish you happy learning. Thank you.